Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Have you seen a bulldozer before? Bulldozers are large, powerful earth movers. Heavy bulldozers run on tracks instead of wheels, just like a tank. They're great at pushing around dirt, sand, rubble, or any sort of material. This is perfect for rough terrain, and it means they won't sink on sandy or muddy ground. This bulldozer is pushing sand around on a beach. The big dozer flattens the pile of sand as it reverses back. At the front of a bulldozer is the blade. The blade is a heavy metal plate which pushes the material. Can you see the blade? And at the back, some bulldozers have a ripper. The ripper has sharp shanks that dig into the ground. It can be used to loosen hard ground. They also have a cabin for the operator and a big exhaust pipe at the front. Bulldozers can also be used to clear land. Or they can be useful for moving rocks at mines. Have you ever used a bulldozer to move around sand in a sand pit? Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.